Working with Microsoft Word involves several basic tasks to create, edit, format, and finalize documents. Here's a rundown of the essentials. Creating a new document, open Microsoft Word. Click on blank document to start a new file. Saving your document, use Ctrl+S, choose a location and name for your file. Basic text editing, type and delete text using the keyboard. Use Ctrl+X to cut, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste for editing. Formatting text. To start, select the text with either your mouse or keyboard. Once you have your text highlighted, use the formatting toolbar to change the font, size, color, alignment, and so on. Alternatively, you can use the right-click menu or the format menu for these options. Paragraph formatting. Adjusting paragraph alignment is pretty straightforward. You can align your text to the left, center, right, or justify it. If you need to indent paragraphs, you can use the ruler or the formatting options available. Inserting objects. To insert pictures, shapes, charts, and smart art graphics, navigate to the Insert tab. Additionally, you can include hyperlinks, headers, footers, page numbers, and date, timestamps from this tab. All right, let's dive into page layout. Here you can set the margins, choose the orientation, whether you prefer portrait or landscape, and select the size, like letter or legal. All of this can be found under the Layout tab. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's move on. Spell check and proofing. Use the spelling and grammar tool by pressing F7 to check for errors. Review your document for grammar and readability using the editor pane. Saving and sharing. Save your document regularly to avoid losing work. Share your document via email, OneDrive, SharePoint, or other methods. Printing. Use the print command by pressing Ctrl and P to preview and print your document. These basics cover most tasks you'll need to create and manage documents effectively in Microsoft Word. As you become more comfortable, explore additional features like styles, templates, and advanced formatting options to enhance your documents further.